Good job, guys.
Want to take a video of me pooping while it says no dumping?
Adam's scholarship shit in there.
Alright guys, so we got Owen's new Rabbit. What year is she?
07.
Really clean, simple. Pretty much got the whole like back bumper and everything, side skirts. It's got that really nice fitment too. Right now we're getting a banner pick for the YouTube too. So if you're watching this video, it should be updated. Let's go check it out.
Water. That's okay. Hey.
What is this?
Gay. My car. Yeah, it's gay.
Alright guys, so we got a sponsorship. Unfortunately it's not Milwaukee, but it is Vosh Auto Care, so they make car care products. Right now we got them lined up in front of Owen's car. This is Owen's new car. I don't know if it's been on the channel yet. It's been on the Instagram, but we got sponsored by them and we're just gonna work out a deal. So if you want any of their products, you can use 717 tuners for 15% off. And I mean, their products, I feel we just used them all night long. And I think that they're just as good as like Adam's polishes or any of the other products that you can find on the market, and they're fairly reasonable price.
Yeah.
You're like,
What?
I'm literally behind Luke.
So this is their Instagram as well. Obviously they're coming out with a whole bunch of new products, so they're not like a new company by any means, but they're also still expanding. And then this is their website where you can get the 15% off.
I'm taking this, bye. I'm putting this in my Audi.
I don't know, but it's not gonna stay there forever. There's wind. I know. My heart's racing.
Guys, we got cops.
Alex! Do a burnout! Attempt the burnout!
Yeah.
Lucas, that's not safe. I care about you.
It's stalled.
That sounds healthy.
live in the Calico area. You all know about Taco Burrito.
It's Denver, Diego.
It's the place to go.
Hey, I don't even know where we're going.
This is the most lit place ever.
There's Wesley. Good to hear.
Brian saw on 836 and he's hyped to find it.
This is our hometown. This is where I was born and raised. Full of senders.
You ever get manners funny? You ever get punched by one of them?
Oh yeah.
You felt that for like 2 minutes. You're out in the middle of the lake.
I'll say it once, I'll say it again, boys. Taco Burrito.
Rip the boss.
If you live in the Cocalico area,
Castanedas. The boss.
Castanedas. And guess what, boys, are open. Jaden, you want some pics, Jaden?
How deep in there? Jaden, you want some pics? Jaden. It's cool though. Jaden, you want some pics?
Jaden.
Better than Queef. That's what he usually says.
I'm just getting tacos. We out here, you know the vibes. Aha. 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 Briner got his taco.
I guess so.
Yeah, you're not eating tonight. You can't.
But not if we are.
Because you're Mexican.
Coronavirus.
Yeah, but this isn't very safe. We're still
Very safe, guys. Oh yeah. Gonna get some pics of Jaden's Miata in that little alley right there. You guys can go check it out. Check out our Instagram at 717 Tuners.
Jordan the minivan. What do we got? What do we got? What's that? Wow. Is that Miata? Right out in front of him, attaboy. You probably couldn't see him, Miata. Where did that come from? We weren't expecting that.
We didn't know he was doing that.
Do it.
That was sick.
No, we actually didn't.
It don't matter.
I did it.
Your mom's a guy.
That was sick. Wait, honestly.
Dude,
It's like a full drag setup.
Dude, we were not expecting that.
Why did people say they're gonna call the police when they don't know?
Jaden's waving because
That was so
that the
sad.
people in that building are calling the cops.
Did you know he was doing that?
No.
He shouldn't have done that, but like it was kind of savage.
He shouldn't have done that, but like at the same time, he should have told us. So, like, what if we didn't film that?
Dude, he's a full sender. And for that people called the cops, we are now sitting 6 feet apart, so in case a cop does actually come, we can't get fined at all. Yeah, this is great, guys. This is absolutely fantastic. As always, guys, we strive for safety is our #1 concern, and we strive for that 6 feet apart.
Why does Kaden look like... We're not driving. How could that be us? We're not driving.
We just ordered food. These are random people, bro.
Stop. There's people who fucking live here.
It's not.
They're saying for it to stop. We're not even doing anything. It's just literally people driving and they're getting mad.
Look at the box.
Are they?
I got the mask. Don't even worry about it.
I tried to be a good Samaritan and put the box near the trash can.
Justin. Lucas. Should we wait? Like, we're low key enough in here. Should we wait for cops?
I mean, oh my god, guys.
Oh, wrong way, officer.
The cops.
Wrong way, officer.
I don't know where he's going.
Wrong way, officer.
He doesn't know what to do. I told Justin to leave.
Oh, it's Sola. It's Sola.
Oh man, he's getting judged.
We have the worst cops to come out here and
That's in full sense.
He's definitely watching us.
Dude, who's this chick? Oh man, dude. This is not good.
Sola might be coming over here, honestly.
Dude, Harry's in James' cars in here. Shout out to Quesadillas.
Yeah, turn around. Make it quick. You need coolant.
Yep. Pulling up at Leffler's Banning gas station.
Holy crap.
Dude, rip to Jaden.
He's done.
I like it. Beetlejuice.
Justin has so many run-ins with those cops, so he's screwed, I think. But Connor's probably chilling. But Jaden told the truth. I guess they said that Jaden's giving like a more truthful story than what Justin was. He said I was going home. Yeah, Justin got food at the spot. Yeah. So.
What happened? What Justin say?
Jaden said that he was going home and he just stopped with friends to get food at Taco Burrito.
Ah.
So we're fine.
Jaden got the clear, boys. That's a
Jaden's
W. There's Jaden.
That was awesome.
Jaden's gonna dip. Just get some high heat on him right now. He got that 5-star.
He get a lot of heat tonight.
right here, boys.
Dude, it like almost brought them down to the cords this time.
Really?
Yeah, they're flat. Oh yeah, that definitely threw a lot more rubber. They're almost down to the cords. You had a rug and a time using the same shot.
You contributed some stuff.
All right, boys. It's
All right, guys,
kind of
this
work
is
in
garage
progress.
tour part 4, whatever it is. So this is our upstairs.
We got the
Now we
hammocks.
got, you know, our
got
Vibey lights, 2 hammocks. Got another one to set up yet. Got my old futon. Got a coffee table that we painted, a rug, surround sound.
These hammocks
TV.
are flex, dude. These are nice.
Yeah,
These are nice.
Guys, I'll put in a clip of it how it looked before with all the
Yeah.
storage, and it's quite a
this
difference.
is bad. We had bumpers and stuff everywhere. If you got, there might have been an old video where they would
Yeah,
have
there
seen
is.
that. Yeah. So we organized all this stuff, and it's nice up here now. Still got to get another shop though. We're running out of room.
And Julie's gonna play Minecraft.
Yeah, probably.
Xbox One. All right, boys. So we got Luke in his M3 today.
That's the little windscreen. You want that up? No, I put it down on purpose.
Got the water here.
For so long. All right, let's hope nothing breaks. Let's see. Let's see. Dude, we heard like a hissing or like a metallic.
They're so light now.
To any of our subscribers, if you guys want to get these wheels for free, we're doing a giveaway.
Yep.
The Burnouts car still doesn't run, boys.
Alright, you wanna get in the Ranger?
When you push
So like, just to get a picture, you have to pull this thing up.
Floor it. Floor it. Keep going.